All right, first things first. They've been wanting out. Come on, Bryant. Next, got this 2008 Chevy Express. It's a 1500. Oh, two-wheel, 4.3. I've seen better days, you know. But it runs, and you know, it's a work van. But the blower motor quit working. And for a while there, just hitting it underneath the dash was working pretty good. And it's not working anymore, so I did some tests and stuff earlier, and looks like it's gonna be the motor. So I just went down to the shop and got one. And let's see what happens. So yeah, you know, you need a 10 millimeter, probably a 1/4 inch too. I think that's what it was. A little chilly out here, honestly. I mean, I wouldn't even care if the motor didn't work, if it wasn't winter time. So I can't, you know, if the windshield frosts up and gets snow on it and stuff, man, I have to drive my other car, and I don't really want to do that. Nice thing about this is if somebody bashes into me, I really don't care. My other car, I don't really want that to happen. So get that wire out of the way. Here's where that 1/4 inch comes in handy. Nope, not 1/4 inch. I don't think it's a 732 technically, but that's what I used earlier, and it seemed good enough. So sometimes I wonder where the angle is on this thing. So we got three bolts. This is pretty easy to do. Three little bolts to take off. She is. Yeah, I mean, it spins free and everything. I've never you know, I'm sure some kind of car expert would want you to spray some kind of lube on that to condition the rubber, you know. But I'm not a car expert, so what can I say? I do know before I did this, I have power coming to this. I got 15 volts. Yeah, I gotta keep an eye on the chickens. They like even where I'm at right here, a hawk will just come down and land on it and start trying to tear it up. So I let them take advantage at times like this when I'm working close to them outside. And plus, it's been really snowy and icy here, so they haven't been getting much outside. They haven't been getting to eat grass and pick around. So yeah, I'm just putting these 3 bolts back in. Looks like this wiring harness is a little different. The other one plugged directly into the motor, and this one just plugs onto this. Well, what do you guys think is going to happen? You think it's going to take off? I hope it does, because I just spent $60 on that. I don't know what's going to happen. It worked. Man, it sounds freaking powerful too. So that's it. That's how fast and easy it is to change a blower motor on this van. So you guys enjoy and good luck.